All right, here's my '06 RSX Type S, and this is just a quick tip video on how to get these alpha headers put in. As you can see, I got the Skunk2 alpha headers, and I'm pairing it up. I already have the catback, which is a Skunk2 Mega Power RR. First thing I did was take off the strut brace, strut bar, whatever you want to call it. I got fat arms, so it helped me get in there a little better. Then down low, second thing I did was I took off the sway bar end links right there. You need a Allen key, forgot the size, but the Allen key goes inside with the wrench on the outside to get the nut. Once you have that off, you could do it before or after you take off your stock header. And then the third thing I did was took off the oil filter. Some people can do it without, probably on them other headers that are a little smaller, but these things are fucking big, so I'll just, trust me, take the oil filter off. Then I loosened the subframe bolts. That's one right there, two, and the third and the fourth one right there. They're 17s. Just put your jack under like I did, jack it up 1 or 2 pumps, loosen those bolts about halfway, and then you can lower it back down. Then the subframe didn't fall out, but you know, just keep the jack under there for safety or whatever the fuck, or don't, I don't give a fuck. Then after that, you should be able to have enough space to get them in. I know a lot of people complained about they couldn't get them in and whatnot. Some people can do it without taking anything off. I couldn't. So yeah, this isn't an install video, but it'll help you save a lot of time. You just take all that shit off now, get in there and get out ASAP. So yeah, good luck.